Peace, fam. Tossily L back with another testimony. Gonna do some light therapy on this brother. He got a cut on his hand, and I'm just gonna let him introduce himself and tell us all about it. Can you just tell your name for the record?
My name's Antonio, and I work on car. And I did a stupid mistake last Friday, trying to put some brakes on. And I know that I shouldn't have been trying to rush. Then I sliced my hand up.
All right, let me see it.
And it looked ugly too.
Okay.
And it won't close up.
It won't close up. It's open. Okay.
It been Friday, from last Friday till up until today.
Today what, Tuesday?
Yes, I've been about what? About 4 days ago.
And it's real sore to the touch. And is it oozing at all?
No, it ain't oozing because my wife always cleans.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna do a few minutes of light therapy on it and see what kind of pain level could change. What's the pain level right now between 0 and 10? 10 being the worst.
7.5.
7.5. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna see what we can do in a few minutes and see if when we come back, is the pain level going down.
That thing feel good.
Okay, we back. And we did 10 minutes.
Oh yeah, that looks
Is
good.
it looking different?
Yes, it is.
It do look a lot
It closed
different.
up. It ain't hurting.
It closed more than it was because this part of the meat was rolling up.
Oh, and it got darker too. Like a dark blue cloud or something.
Hey.
All right, tell me. Okay, go ahead. You can ball your hand up, do whatever you want to do, and see how it feels. Tell me the difference between pain level was 8, 7.5 earlier. What is it now?
0. Man.
0.
Oh yeah, cause you about
Yeah, you
to
couldn't even
jump
touch
off
it
the
earlier.
bed last night.
You know what?
Cause I was trying to with
That
the new
thing-
skin.
hey.
I would put the new skin on there and then kind of push the wound
I
down.
couldn't take it.
Oh,
But it
okay.
wouldn't even stay down, and I couldn't touch it. Like he would go crazy for me to even
Hold it up right here like you did earlier.
touch.
Hey. That light do
Yeah, it clotted
it
up.
do wonders. This man is the truth, man. I couldn't even touch my hand yesterday or today. Couldn't ball it up. Even thumping now. Wow.
That's what's up. So we went from a 7.5 to
To a 0.
in 10 minutes.
I swore to my and I won't even tell live in Facebook. This man is the truth.
Thank you.
I'm talking about.
Dr. Peters, man.
Wow.
It's pretty much closing up.
Yes.
Oh, you
Yeah,
couldn't
you
do
heard
none of that.
Hey, it's 10 o'clock at night, everybody. Just in case y'all don't know, it's 10 o'clock at night almost.
Wow.
And the
10
only reason I
minutes.
came over here because Sis said my husband in a lot of pain, so I was like, I'm just gonna check on him. And and they over here shocked. Like, I can't make this stuff up.
He ain't making this stuff up.
That's what's up, bro.
Wow.
Hey, but thank you for your testimony, man.
Man, for
Serious business, man. We get rid of pain. We help the body heal itself.
wow.
Simple Truth LLC. Powered by Quantum Mental
I
Health
ain't
and Wellness.
never going back to the doctor.
Alright, peace. Okay,
Then my second testimony. This pinky ain't been in about 10 years.
When I get on to any little thing.
That's it.
In 10 years.
Swear to
Stand
God.
on this side. Let me get the light a
Swear to
little better.
God.
Alright.
For real. Tell me. See it. This pinky ain't been in about 10 years.
Okay. Do it slow. Do the fist. Let me see the fist. Alright, still be sticking out. Okay. Yeah, it won't be.
Yeah, I need you to clean that up for me.
I got you.
That was what
Okay,
that
so
was.
we'll be right back. We'll do some light shit. We'll get it loose.
Nigga, go to testimony.
Peace. We back. All right. So this the pinky that didn't bend at all. I asked him not to move it until we got to this point. So go ahead and see what it do.
Alright. It kind of been a little
Still ain't
bit.
doing it. Okay.
Nah, it kind of been a little bit though. That mud had that big do it.
It's all good. I just want to see. But forcefully move. How does it feel when you forcefully do it?
That motherfucker feel loose.
It feel loose.
Yeah. Look at
All
that.
right. Try the fist thing one more time.
Oh, you
Let
got
me
it
see.
in the fist?
Man, nah,
You ain't have to push it in there.
You didn't push it in there. It made a fist. So this is a successful video.
Shit.
Hey man. So look, you might just need another session on it.
One more session on it? That man got the pinky moving. I'm ready.
And you balled up your other hand too.
Mama, both of them. Bam. Tight.
I'm talking about 10 minutes on each hand.
Tight. Bro,
What's wrong with your truck?
We don't even charge that much. Y'all need to get y'all hands fixed
Bro.
out there in the video world.
bro, I'm talking about everybody. If you are hay sale, I want the biggest hay sale. But this stuff actually works, man. Why did?
man.
Bam!
Ball both of them up. Let me see the pinky on that left one when you ball it up.
Yeah.
I mean, hold it up so I can see. Okay.
It going in better than the wall.
It going in better than what? Yeah,
Yes, it was. Hey, one more section.
Yeah.
That thing getting out. Then it kind of wet too. So it can't go. You did wonders, man.
Thank you, bro.
You did wonders, man. If you have any questions, y'all call Bell and I'll tell you the real lowdown. This man did wonders.
That's what's up.
Tell me about today.
Peace. Y'all heard it first right here, man.
Oh,
Some shit that
it
last
was
week.
then
Power
gonna be
by
the
Quantum Natural
magic
Health
thing.
Peace. Peace.